Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We're back today with another video. Today on the agenda we have a house wash and a fence in the back patio lanai area. So stay tuned and I'll see you out on the site. Okay, so here we are at the job site. We'll walk through and I'll show you what we got going on here. We got driveway. Pretty dirty, but it'll come up nice. Walkway going up to the front. I'm going to do a house wash. Down along the side here, we're going to do this fence also. This is from the landscapers. We're going to see, try a couple of different things on there, try to get those scuff marks off. And then the fence all the way around this back area right here, this little patio area. And again, the fence on both sides going down along there. And this little lanai area inside here. Got that locked. And see, that's about it. And then just back up this side here. Not too terrible, but we'll get it all done. So anyway, that's what we got for now. Alright guys, so we're all done here. Just walk around and I'll show you what it looks like. Driveway all nice and clean. Front of the house. Walkway going up. Yeah, driveway looks really sharp now. Let's go back around the back here. Okay, the fence. We were able to get most of those black marks out of there. There's a couple little scuffs left, but at least all the black rubber's off. All right. We got the back patio. Remember it was all covered in black. Well, that came up nice. All the green's gone from up top there. The fence, both sides, it brightened up a bit. Back along the back here. Little patio area. That's all cleaned up now. Yep, down along the side. Okay. Well, that's a wrap on this one. We have to go back and check on a paver sealing that we did on a pool deck. I think we have a little bit of touch up to do on it, but we'll see. I just want to make sure because we got a little bit of rain before I'd like to have. So I just want to make sure everything's good with that. All right, well, we'll see you at the next job.